For those who enjoy using their iPad for entertainment or work, the smart keyboard is a valuable accessory that makes typing easier. However, many users have reported that their smart keyboard is not working for some reason. If you are experiencing similar problems, don't worry. This video will show you why the smart keyboard doesn't work and how to fix it. Why is iPad smart keyboard not working? There are two main reasons. The first reason is system issues. Glitches on the system as well as incorrect or conflicting settings on the iPad may cause the iPad smart keyboard to malfunction. 2. Hardware issues. Check for any visible damage to the keyboard, iPad, or connectors, as these can cause the smart keyboard to not work. How to fix smart keyboard for iPad not working. Solution 1. Remove the additional keyboards from your iPad settings. Go to Settings, then General, Keyboard, and remove the third-party keyboards. Solution 2. Reset the keyboard. Head to Settings, General, transfer or reset iPad and select Reset, then tap Reset Keyboard Dictionary. Solution 3. Reset all settings on iPad. Open Settings, choose General, tap Transfer or Reset iPad and select Reset, then tap Reset all settings. Solution 4. Factory Reset iPad. Go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPad. Choose Erase all content and settings and tap Continue. Tap Erase iPad and enter your password to confirm your option. If the iPad smart keyboard doesn't work due to complicated system problems, the ordinary reset settings may not solve it. You can use MagFone iOS system recovery to solve the problem. It is a very professional iOS repair software. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to use it. Connect your iPad to the computer and select iOS System Repair. Click the Start button and choose Standard Repair Mode. Check your device information and click the Download button. Click the Start Standard Repair button to fix your iPad smart keyboard. Now you've solved the problem.